I just wanted to make a quick video of more interesting stuff because I know people like to see the interesting stuff. People don't like to see all the me talking or whatever, but this is gonna be like a short, quick video. There's not gonna be much in here, but I'm just gonna post a few clips of the turbo noises and the performance. I'm just not trying to push it too hard right now because I still need to do my bottom end of the engine and transmission, but I'm not pushing it too hard. Here's all the temps right now. I have a 180 degree thermostat, and oil temps, I mean, that's pretty normal. Usually sits around 200, but it's 84 out, so I mean, that's pretty normal. But just trying to take it somewhat easy on the car because I'll feel really bad if I screw something up just by trying to make a stupid video. I'm just gonna put it back in default because I hate the RPMs hanging like that. I wish I lived in an area where there wasn't a lot of traffic. I mean, that's about, I don't know, fifth throttle, maybe a quarter. Not that throttle really matters, but very happy with how it turned out. I'm gonna make a video purely talking about how I prepared for the turbo kit. I didn't 100% prepare, but there's still things I need to do, obviously, like I talked about earlier. But for anybody that wants the twin turbo there, 5.7, I just want to give them an insight on what I did. It might help them a little bit. Okay, let's use our turn signal. It sounds great. Turbos sound great. Fresh oil change. Don't worry about the ABS lights. I was trying to add launch control. I need to revert my vehicle configuration back to default. Still actively trying to figure out how to add launch control. So if you have any insight on or information on how to do that, just let me know. I've already tried changing my chassis code on Alpha OBD and everything, but nothing. I think I might have to get a new cluster that supports it. But that's the end of the video. I'll make another video later talking about preparation for twin turbo kit, and I hope this was a good enough video to help you guys hear the turbo sounds or whatever. But yeah, I'll make another video soon. See you guys.